At Giver, our mission is to empower you to give it your all, no matter your passion. We design and create innovative products to help you seize every opportunity and live a life true to yourself to the fullest extent. I'm Bubba, and it all started with these. A pair of custom-crafted gloves we took to the next level, resulting in the most funded glove ever on Kickstarter. Gloves provide essential protection and the dexterity you need for fine motor tasks. But when temperatures drop to extremes, your paws need something you can count on to keep you extra toasty. Introducing the Frontier Mittens, the best damn mittens ever. Built on our knowledge and experience, the Frontier Mitten was formed over the course of 4 years and 6 prototypes, all to ensure every detail was covered. We took these puppies out to our backyard in the Tetons and beyond and tested them to the extreme. They can handle temperatures ranging from minus 40 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. This is all thanks to the Frontier Mittens multi-layer construction. The outermost layer is a durable, abrasion-resistant cowhide leather that's supple and tough, lasting at least 3 times longer than synthetic mittens, will form and shape to your hand as you use it, and the reinforced palm and front are ready to take a beating. Add a hand-baked wax coating for additional protection and longevity, and custom hand-branded initials to make them truly one of a kind. Underneath is a waterproof Hypora membrane, which ensures your mittens are 100% waterproof. This technology also enables breathability, keeping you dry and comfortable. Below that, the heat shield backing and premium moisture wicking insulation system work together to keep your digits both dry and warm, like a sleeping bag for your hand. Quality matters. Fit matters. Comfort matters. Your hands matter. Don't let cold weather prevent you from experiencing life and doing what you love. Whether you're shredding your favorite hill, walking your dog, relaxing on the chairlift, out on the boat with your crew, riding your sled through the white room, ice fishing at your favorite spot, or just want to be prepared for an emergency situation, the Frontier Mittens will keep your hands dry and warm so you can tackle any frontier and give her all you got. The Frontier Mittens by Giver. Get 'em today.